like they're winding down here. Got some sparklers over there. Anyway, so I guess that's out.
Hi, where do you live?
Oh, I live over in Nampa.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, where do you live?
In Nampa, over in Nampa. What do you have, glow-in-the-dark glasses on?
No, it's a video
What are
camera.
those?
Video camera.
So you're just video cameraing everything?
Yeah, I do YouTube videos. I have 7,300 of them.
Really?
Yeah, Donald Sawyer. Look up Donald Sawyer.
And this is what you choose to do?
Well, I do people's tattoos. I do sermons at church. I do rivers, springs, anything.
Where's your sermons?
The Experience.
Where's that at?
In Meridian. Oh no, yeah, Meridian.